Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to use add or use multiple accounts in your Instagram. So open up your Instagram application. Now just tap on that little profile icon on the bottom right side. Okay, now tap on that three line you can see on the screen on the top right side. Now tap on settings. Okay, now scroll down and here you can see add account. So if you want to log out from this account, you can also do that, but as we are going to use both of my accounts, so just simply tap on add account. Now you can see if you have your account already okay, so you can simply just log in into existing account, but if you don't have, you can simply just create a new one. Okay, now here you can see you have to put your email, okay, or just username. So I'm just putting my username, which is I remembered. Okay, so now type that password and simply just tap on login, and here you can see that this is my second account, and if I check out my profile, you can see it's I'm able to check out my profile. Okay, so it was completely a new brand new account, brand new Instagram account of mine, so it's okay, it's very clean, you can see. So if I go to my option again where we have just logged in earlier, I've just showed to you guys. So simply just clicking on the three line, you can see I'm just clicking on settings, and here you can see you can also add or switch account. So if you tap on add or switch account, you will be able to see your second account, right? So if you want to go to your second account, just simply tap on that, and here you can see this is my second account and everything. Okay, now you can choose you also can add your another account if you have like multiple accounts, more than two accounts. Okay, or if you want to just simply shift your account, you can simply just switch your account just like this. Okay, so I hope you guys understand how you can use multiple accounts on your Instagram application. So that was all for today. Hope you like this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 minute solution.